Hey friends, if you encounter the error exception processing message C0000005 unexpected parameters error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to initiate the SFC scan. The next one is to update the drivers. Now, how do we do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Windows Update, advanced options, optional updates, check for driver updates, check them, install them, and make sure that the system is in general updated to the latest version. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration and then go to the system configuration window. Go to services, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. The last solution is to restart Windows Explorer. So, how would we do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and then go to Task Manager. Okay, we'll wait till it loads. If you don't find Windows Explorer here, if it's open, you'll find it here. Okay. But for the sake of this example, we'll close it. You'll find it at the absolute bottom here. All you need to do is right click on it and restart it. Your system will flicker for a while and then it will be stable and your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.